In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't follow problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so to fix this problem, it's actually very easy. Just open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps as you can see. Just go to Instagram, and now all what you have to do is click on force stop. When you click on force stop, now go down to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the settings on your phone. That's the most important step. Click on wireless and then go to the top. You will find the airplane mode. Enable the airplane mode and wait exactly 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Disable it. Now reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video until the end.